Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I want to show you this awesome 2022 Coachmen Clipper Cadet. It's a model 16FB. Guys, I'm sorry for all the noise, but we're putting in a brand new driveway, so we got a construction sale going on. We're selling them cheap, don't miss out. This thing has amazing off-road tires on it, guys. It looks awesome. Check out this extra large propane tank, power tongue jack. It's got 2 auxiliary batteries, guys. Awning is in excellent condition, LED lighting. Let's go around this thing. It's got a spare tire, backup cameras. Look at that. Looks awesome. The sucker's even got mud flaps. This is a 30 amp unit. Let's step inside. All right, so as soon as you walk in, we got our dinette right here, which turns into a sleeper as well. We got a queen size bed in the back with plenty of storage up top. We've got rooftop AC. Again, this is a 30 amp unit. Stainless steel refrigerator with more storage. Pretty decent counter space with a sink and double burner stove. Microwave over here. Pantry closet space over here. Another large closet over here. All of your controls up there. Check out the bathroom, guys. Very large shower for this size camper, guys. Skylight and vent. Guys, this thing is in awesome condition. Clean title, no leaks, no soft spots, guys. Everything works just as it should. Hook up and go. If you guys are interested in this unit, again, my name is Chris, CGM Auto Brokers. I can be reached at 704-620-8388. Come visit us in person, guys, at 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina. Visit us online as well, guys. www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, we offer financing, we offer transport and delivery. All right, so don't miss out. Any questions, please ask. If you guys like these videos, please like, please subscribe, guys, and most importantly, remember, Jesus loves you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.